What's data governance and why it really matters? I know it sounds technical and even a bit boring, but it's actually something most of us deal with without even realizing it. To prove it, let me give you an example from real life that I'm sure most of you will resonate with. Right now, I'm trying to clean up my digital photo library, which is a mess. Thousands of pictures scattered across phones, laptops, and cloud drives. Family trips, work stuff, random screenshots, all mixed together. The first thing I have to do is figure out what's even here, what photos I have. That step, that's called discovery. And it's the same place data governance starts, whether it's personal files or enterprise systems. Discovery means understanding what exists, where it's stored, and what condition it's in. Some of my photos, for example, are obvious. Recent events, albums I've opened recently. But there are also old duplicates, blurry shots, folders I didn't even know were syncing in the background. That's exactly what enterprise data looks like. Some databases are active and easy to find, but there's always a long tail of forgotten, messy, and sometimes risky data that no one's managing. And without discovery, there's no real control for that. No trust, no real insight. So once I gather everything with my photos, I will start sorting. Family trips go in one folder, work photos in another, screenshots, memes, receipts off to their own space. That's called classification. In companies, classification means organizing data into categories: customer records, financial data, internal documents, so that they can be handled properly. Without classification, even valuable data becomes noise. Back to my photo goes, I set some basic rules. If the photo is blurry or duplicate, I delete it. If it matters, I back it up. If it's sensitive, I move it to a secure folder. That's called governance. In companies, policies define how different types of data should be handled, and rules enforce those policies, ideally through automation. Let me give you an example. If a system detects personal data, like a social security number, a rule might automatically mask it. Back to my photos, my next step will be to tag things. Family holidays 2024, client workshop April 2025, important docs. Because if I don't label this stuff now, I'll never find it again later. That's metadata. Metadata gives context to content. It helps people and systems understand what a file is, when it was created, where it came from, and how it should be used. Without good metadata, even well organized data fades into digital clutter. The unexpected part when we sort out photos from time to time is that while cleaning up, we find pictures we thought we lost. Moments we didn't realize we still had, hidden under all that noise. And that's what good data governance does inside organizations. It doesn't just reduce risk or tick compliance boxes. It helps teams rediscover value they didn't even know they had. Now, I know that cleaning up this photo library manually will take ages, but at enterprise scale, discovery, classification, policy enforcement, and metadata tagging can all be automated. If this topic fascinates you, stick around. I plan to make another video to show what this automation looks like at scale, how organizations actually do it, and why it matters.